Let's take a look at some examples of while loops. The first while loop that you see over here is an upward counting while loop. The counter is initialized to 0 and the loop runs until the value of counter is less than 10. And generally you increase the value of the counting variable by 1. In this case, I'm increasing it by 3. So when counter is 0, it prints welcome, then counter becomes 3. 3 is less than 10, so it prints welcome, then becomes 6, which is less than 10, so it prints welcome, then it becomes 9, which is also less than 10, then it prints welcome, and then it becomes 12, which is no longer less than 10, so it comes out of the loop. In the second while loop, I have a downward counting while loop. I initialize counter to 5, and the loop runs while counter is greater than 0. So while counter is greater than 0, so 5 is greater than 0, so welcome gets printed, and then counter becomes 4. I have it counting downwards now, and then basically it will print welcome while counter is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. As soon as counter hits 0, it will get out of the loop. Let's run this. And you do see that the first loop printed welcome 4 times, which makes sense for counter equal to 0, 3, 6, and 9. And then the second loop printed welcome 5 times for counter equal to 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So again, an example of a upward counting loop that is counting up by more than 1, and then an example of a downward counting loop. Fairly simple examples of while loops using Python. Thank you very much for your time.